Hello, my name is Adam Jarvis, and this is my 1959 John Deere 730 diesel that I restored this year to enter in a couple of the Texas state shows. And we've come quite a long way since we first started, and I'm very proud of the outcome. But right now I want to take you back and show you the process we went through in restoring this tractor. We went through it one end to the other, and everything you see on it is factory original, just brand new. So just sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this short video.
The front end you see pictured here was a very rare factory option. It is called a 38-inch fixed tread front end. Now that it's unloaded at the shop, initial disassembly and cleaning begins. As you can see, the tractor was torn down to the rear axle housing and rebuilt from the ground up. The tractor was also completely sandblasted. The video you are viewing now is the very first time the tractor cranked, which was just 1 week before the San Antonio show. You won't see me in this video because I am holding the camera, but I had never cranked an engine with a pony motor before and was unfamiliar with how to do it. So I asked my dad and my next door neighbor, Jerry Swearingen, to demonstrate the very first crank.
So what kills it? You pull all the way back? I think, yes, because you pull the stop knob out, you come all the way back over center. So pulling it all the way back kills it. Yeah. I think.
Now that we knew the tractor would run, it was time for a test drive. After being unsatisfied with the first paint job, once we returned home from San Antonio, we decided to repaint.
Well, I'd like to thank you for your time. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation and seen all the hard work that was put into the restoration of this tractor. It's been quite an experience, but in the end it was definitely worth it. So thank you again, but before you go, just remember, nothing runs like a Deere.